dynamic trades. We have not took any kind of trades today. Um, Quite a selling off, to be honest. I was watching earlier, had a nice pop up. What's the stock called? Let me try to find it. I forget. It's not on the watch list anymore. That's how much it actually sold off. Spy kind of selling off here before open. So that's concerning. That's just a direction that the stocks, you know, might go. So I always keep Spy popped up too, just to keep a look at. Um, but yeah, let's see here. Man, I forgot what stock it was. But I am watching ICCM. It's a top gapper. At open. We'll see. We're kind of getting this consolidation. We had this little breakout early morning, and then it sold off, and it's just been consolidating. So we might see a retest of this VWAP line, at open or a few minutes into open. What else sell off really hard? Um, Again, OCUP. This one sold off really heavy too. Um, this thing was look at it's it had this nice break up to $2.96. Um, tried retest, couldn't really make retest that level twice, three times right here, sold off, consolidated, then it tried retesting and nothing, you know, like multiple times here and then sold off and then look at this thing now it's trading at 22.10. So that was a big sell off on that one. And then I think there's another one too that had a big sell off that I was watching earlier. Glad I didn't take any trades on them. I forgot what it was. Um, But yeah, anyways, we'll see. We'll see if anything pops open here. So we're looking at ICCM. This one, we could potentially see something. We're getting this consolidation right here. We are getting close to retesting this 200 moving average, so we got to be careful with that. Mm. This is our second daily gapper. Um, kind of ugly in my opinion, but yeah, we'll see what happens there. And then this is another one, but this one um, could potentially try to retest these 2290, but it did double top right here, hit quite a resistance. So um, we should possibly hopefully get a gap up to 2290 to retest it. Might bounce off that resistance and but we'll see. Let's see here. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, last 2 days were not good for me. So, um, yeah, I think it was just, I don't know, you know, we are getting close to retesting that 200 moving average right here. We wanted to retest it one, two, three. This will be the third time it's retested, or getting close to retested. It's retesting right now, so we'll see if it holds that 200 moving average or if it falls below it. If it falls below it, I don't know. I wouldn't trade it unless unless it has a clean move up, breaking the 200 moving average. If it does fall below, breaking the EMA lines in the VWAP, and this one probably wouldn't be tradable till I would say like 17.5 or 175 or something. I don't know. We'll see though. It happens. So yeah, everything kind of had a big sell-off. This one, I know this one a couple. This one went up to 20. We potentially could see something here. I know last week I think this thing was at like I forget. Let me look on the weekly chart. Yeah, 11.4 last week. This thing was at 192. So it sold off quite a bit. Yeah, look on the daily. Yeah, so you had this nice move up to 192 up here last week and kind of just sold off. So we'll see what happens. It is getting. It did pop over that VWAP line. It did retest. We'll see. We'll see if it holds. It was trading above it, and then kind of fell below here. So we'll see. We'll see. This one did hold that 200 moving average, so that is a good sign. About there. So we'll see what else is here. Which other ones? That down. This one kind of have that head and shoulders pattern, but let's see. This one, no. It's kind of light in the volume. Yeah, so this is our daily. This is our gapper right here. This one. So it's either gonna be ICCM trading at open, hopefully for a breakout, or RID if this one could see. Mm, we're only about what 5 cents away from retesting the highs up here, so it did hit this resistance point right here, the 2230. It did double top, so we got to be careful with that. We got to break that. Um, and then you have this 22.9. Well, you actually have this 20 $2.26 resistance right there, and then you got the 22.90. So it needs to break all those levels pretty cleanly to find it worthy. So we're about 8 minutes to open, so mm, we'll see. Boom, boom, boom. All right, all my things are set, so okay. RID. There it is. Broke over this 2230. Now it's retesting. It needs to retest this 22.6 right here, right here. I need to pop over that. Okay, that's good a sign right there. And then 22.9 or $2.29 is next. If it breaks that level, okay, we're retesting it. It rejected. Let's see if we get that squeeze up. The tape, it's looking good. This will probably be the one at open. We got uh we got pretty good buyers on this one, but it is rejecting that level, that resistance. It needs to pop over this. Yeah, there's a wall right there at 22.9. Yeah, rejected. So we need to get that pop over, but at least it retested it, so we know that has a potential. But it did double top over here, so it does need to break it. We're about 7 minutes to open. SPY's kind of consolidating right here, so we'll see. All right, we'll see if we get that retest again. Okay. We do got buyers stacked up at $2.29 where the resistance point is. About 3K seller. But yeah, it rejected that level and it's on a downtrend now. We'll see if we could get a reversal. But that one, Iccm. This one, I don't know. We'll see what happens. You know, at least it's holding that 200 moving average, so that's a good thing. Um, this one, I mean, it did retest that 200 moving average. It retested. It held up right there. So this one doesn't look bad, but it is kind of higher price, I guess. And but yeah, it. Let me see what the. All right, the Iccm has potential. Oh, it has a 10 million float, so that can has a potential going parabolic if everything goes good. RIDE might have a little trouble. It does have really high float. It's at a 166 million. Not my forte to trade, but you know, we'll see what happens there. HUDI, the one that fell like $164 in the last week. That one has 3 million float, which is ridiculous. We'll see on RID. Higher float just means that it's takes a lot more for the stock to move. There's more shares available, so it's kind of manipulation, I guess you could say. Well, okay, we're retesting it. We'll see if we reject that level or we get a pop over this. Mm, 2300. No. Yeah, there's a wall there. Yeah, it's rejecting that level again. Can't seem to have enough strength to pop over that. Yeah, that's a strong resistance point right there. All right, we'll see if we get another retest of this. 22.7. Yeah, it's rejecting that point. It's a strong resistance right there at $2.29. It's rejecting that hard. So we'll probably keep we need this to get closer to VWAP in my opinion. Yeah, it just broke the 200 moving average too. Man, I don't know if there's gonna be anything to trade. If not, I mean, it's not the end of the world. We're hitting this right here again. Look at that resistance, man. It's not breaking it. Yeah, it rejected right there, hardcore. There was a decent amount of buyers there too. I thought it was gonna squeeze up, but there's a big wall right there at $2.29. So instead of dude staying this thing, we'll see if it holds this 200 moving average right here. Mm, oh, this thing popped up. Still not at its highest day though, right here. 5.99. Let me check the float on this one. We've got about 2 minutes to the bell. Yeah, on this one too. Hymns, it's a higher float as well. It's about 151 float on it, million, so it's kind of higher. All right, we're about 1 minute from the bell, so we'll see what happens here. All right, market's opened. So we'll check this one. We'll see. Man, everything's just looking shitty right now. This one too. Jeez, man. Everything. Holy shit, look at Spy, man. Spy, oh. Yeah, everything's, man, this one's rejecting. Everything's rejecting. I don't know if there's going to be anything to trade. This one, rejected. Man, everything's looking ugly. Yeah, man. I don't know. Everything's just looking super ugly right now. It's really bad. Fuck. Yeah. Don't look like we're gonna be able to trade nothing. It's alright. So yeah, this one's not doing nothing. What else? This one. This one, okay. This one, I just seen this on the scanner. We could see here. This one kind of double topped here and then rejected. Okay. What about this one? RIDE at the top here. So it did break that. It did break that. Okay, we'll look at this one. It is just higher float, so it's kind of more risky, I guess. Okay, this one we could potentially see this one. This one did pop back up. We'll see if we could get this over 151 here. Okay, we'll see. We'll see here. We'll see. It's kind of hesitating here. Okay. Okay. I'm buying on that dip right there at 151. We got a micro pullback. We'll see if we hold this spot. Let's see here. Okay. It's holding. Okay. Got some buyers coming in. We'll see if we could retest this up here, get closer to this. It is holding this spot well. So we'll see if it holds this. We just need this candle to go green and volume to pick up. Mm, okay. There are a bunch of buyers. Oh, there's the buyers. Buyers are coming in. Just need volume to pick up. Yeah. Fuck. All right. I sold there for a $30 loss. I got filled at 148. It rejected, so that's nah. So that's fine with that one. Let's see here. What else do we got? RIDE. This one, if we can get over 85, potentially. And performing this resistance right here, it's kind of scary. Got this flat top up here. I'm not gonna try that one. This one, this one, this one. We'll see if we can get a retest of this 153. But this one, man, nothing's moving. This one here. Got this one. Yeah, it's still our top gapper right here, but okay. We got a doji right there. We'll see if we can get a reversal on this. Okay, looking good, looking good. We just need a retest of this 1530 and break. We need to break this level. All right. About there at 154 potential. Okay, we need to see. Volume needs to pick up. Come on. 55. Okay. Okay, we're looking good. We need this continuation. Volume needs to pick up here. We do have some buyers coming in. Okay. So that candle did close okay. That's a or a bear flag break right there, so that's nice. We need to see this right here. I just need an outburst, like boom. 40, it's fighting right there. Alright, we got this micro pullback here. Fuck, man. Everything's getting rejected, bro. This is annoying. Great. Okay. Alright. Let's take the loss. Fuck. Sold that 147 there. It's fine. Whatever. So we are down 154 today. It's kind of annoying. And this one's not doing. Nothing's really moving. It's kind of. We have a good idea. It's just, you know. Damn. It's rejecting that level double top there, so I don't know, man. I don't know what to do. This will be my third red day in a row, which kind of sucks. I mean, it is a paper account, but still, at the end of the day, it's like I was doing so good the last like couple months, like this last month, and just I don't know. Okay. All right. I took a dip there at 89. Potentially retest this $4.94. We'll see here. All right. It's in a little micro pullback here. Oh. Oh, jeez. Spreads are kind of wild on this one. 660 on the ass. We. Yeah. Man. All right. I sold there at 1458. So took a loss on that trade as well. Jesus, man. 386. Think I'm just gonna call it here. There's no point of over trading. It's nothing's going nothing. Everything's just false, doing a false breakout or just rejecting. So, um, yeah. Look at it now. Look at that thing. Jesus. This one looks nice. It is kind of lower on the volume side, but we will see here. Okay. Yeah. I'll be right back. All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna call it a day. There's nothing really popping up, so I'll be back tomorrow for a live day trading. So thank you guys for watching.